Knock knock, this is Janice. If you are sad, if you are stressed, if you are depressed, if you have trauma, if you just broke up with your lover, if you need someone to be with you, I will be with you. Okay? So just stay with me. Will I make you feel peace? So I'd like to be with you. This is a Taoist. This is a Taoist music for heart, for kidney, to keep you calm down. If you need me, I will be here with you. You are a diamond. You deserve best. You deserve to be loved. You are the top one. I will be with you always. To love yourself. Nobody love you. I love you. Nobody love me. I love myself. Okay, you deserve the best. How are you? Are you feeling better? You can WhatsApp me. I can be with you. Are you feeling better? I can be your best friend. How are you feeling? Smile. Smile. It's fine. Everything will be fine. If he just broke up with you, if she just broke up with you, it's his loss, it's her loss, not yours. You are the best. Don't doubt yourself, okay? You are the diamond, okay? And I will be with you always, okay? If you need to talk, you can WhatsApp me. Let's help each other to make the world better. Hope you're fine.